partnership between Nigeria and the World Bank Group dates back to 1958, with financing of the relayed 390 kilometers rail track and the construction of new ones from Kuru in Jos Plateau through Bauchi and Borno provinces of Old Maiduguri. By 1962, the Apapa Wharf Light Rail project was completed, supporting the ease of movement into Lagos ports.
The World Bank enjoys a very strong partnership with Nigeria, which has significantly deepened through the last decade. We offer support through 4 main instruments: the AIDA, the IBRD, IFC and MIGA. Here in Nigeria, we have the possibility to use these 4 instruments in a very innovative way, and since recently the World Bank wants to intervene as a group so that we can offer the best value proposition to our client using these 4 instruments in an integrated manner.
Nigeria's transition to democracy in 1999 further deepened this partnership. The World Bank Group has been supporting government strategies, including National Economic Empowerment and Development Strategy, the 7-Point Agenda, Vision 2020, and now Nigeria's Transformation Agenda.
The World Bank is providing about $500 million again, for a development finance institution, that we want to set up, and this, what it will do is to provide funds at reasonable rates over a long period of time, with a long tenure, to the MSMEs, the medium and small scale enterprises.
Over the years, the World Bank Group moved from focused intervention in 5 lead states, Cross River, Enugu, Kaduna, Kano, and Lagos, to a broader and balanced federal and state engagement process.
The bank had also supported our reform initiatives there through the Lagos Metropolitan Governance and Development Project under the governance component of it. And so we have seen, through our engagement with them, some improvement in our own public finance management as well.
Contributing an average of $1.3 billion to result-yielding projects, the World Bank is becoming the largest partner to strengthen service delivery and value chain development in Nigeria. The Lagos Eko Education Project is a critical pathway for students in the state to access quality secondary education.
With the Lagos Eko project, we decided that why don't we try to ensure that the schools receive the funds directly. They develop their own plan. They work with the project team within their own schools, identify the actual needs of their own school, and they became the driver of change within their own school.
When I first arrived in this school, 2008, I was a credit student in biology, but when Eko project came in, I skyrocketed to a distinction student in biology. So I believe that Eko project has made students become better in their subjects.
Sometimes I felt inadequate. I was lost. But after attending most of these seminars and workshops, now I can hold up my head. I can now use some of the technology that they have been using for years, and that has really improved my teaching.
The good news is that the World Bank has decided to extend the project for another 2 years.
The Commercial Agriculture Development Project is the bank's timely response in supporting small and medium-scale commercial farmers in 5 participating states: Cross River, Enugu, Kaduna, Kano, and Lagos, introducing farmers to technology, infrastructure, and finance. The aim is to meet local demands and international market standards.
With the intervention of this commercial agri project, we got better. We got to know how best to produce Our plan is to serve as a central farm where every other farmer in Lagos State will bring his own fish product for processing and packaging.
We came in and discovered that really the Southeast have a lot of challenges in sourcing their day-old chick. Now we have capacity of 60,000 birds every week, 240,000 every month. And based on the help of commercial agriculture, we are planning to double it.
My name is Mrs. Solution. I'm a cashew nut processor. We are over 1,000 women here doing the business. The CAD people assist us a lot by bringing experts on steaming methods. Give us 2 weeks workshop. Since then, we know how to process a steaming method.
The Fadama project is a demonstration of how sustained effort over a long period of time can have lasting results. The objective of the project is to increase the income of small farmers on a sustainable basis through community empowerment.
They've been an important backbone in our relationship with the community because they are most interested not only in the farm, but what happens to the community that we are associated with.
The partnership strategy of the World Bank Group is to empower communities to define their social infrastructure needs, contribute to investments, while monitoring the effective implementation of these projects.
The take-off grant that was given to us was 385,000, which we use part of it in purchasing drugs, renovations of the clinic, printing of cards and registers, then social marketing. After that, a bonus was given to us, the first quarter and the second quarter.
Meeting demands of a growing urban population inadequately served by the declining standards of public transport system provided an in-route to introduce bus rapid transit, known as BRT, within the Lagos Urban Transport Project.
I prefer patronizing them than other buses because other buses you squeeze yourself to stay, but in BRT you are sitting comfortably.
Wow, I love it so much because BRT is very fast. The government is doing a lot more to see that more buses are on the road.
Success recorded with the BRT model is being studied as best practice around the continent. The assistance framework provided in the new country partnership strategy will drive goals for Nigeria's development in line with the Vision 2020 agenda.
It has been prepared in a very cooperative manner with the government and is a response to the Vision 2020 and transformation agenda. Secondly, it is also embedded in the new World Bank corporate strategy, which aims to reduce extreme poverty and promote shared prosperity.
It's not just about the funding, but the engagement, between ourselves in terms of discussing policy options.
The World Bank Group, in Partnership for Results, is committed to empowering lives for a better Nigeria.